welcome back to Pure Nebraska. Earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Paula Peterson on food safety this time of the year. And now Paula is back with a recipe to share. Taryn is here now with Paula with more.
All right, thank you, John. Yes, and June is here. I like ice cream this time of year. Really, ice cream any time of year is good. But you have a recipe called Mexican fried ice cream bites. Perfect size.
Yeah.
So you don't have to overdo with the ice
Well,
cream.
it does help with portion control because if I make it in a 9x13 pan, that's one serving, right?
Okay.
So it's really super easy to do. You have to let your ice cream get really thawed. And you just add Cool Whip. And I mean, come on, Cool Whip, it's got to go good with anything, right? This recipe uses, sorry, I'm going to make a mess, a little bit of cinnamon, about a teaspoon, and if you would like more cinnamon, use more cinnamon. It also has honey.
Ooh,
and so...
and a lot of different types of honey out there you
there
could use.
are. This one is a wildflower.
Ooh, okay.
And so I like it. The corn, and then you do a corn flakes with butter and sugar and fry it up just a little. It's one of those things you have to watch pretty close because it'll burn really fast. But yeah, if you just load up the cupcake.
Okay, at the bottom of each
At the
one.
bottom, and then we'll scoop the ice cream on top of it, and then it freezes for about, an hour, hour and a half. And then you're set to go with the little bites. I've just been transporting them in the cupcake containers as I go. It makes about 2.5 cupcake holders. So the rest today is just going to go into the pan, and my granddaughter's going to eat it.
So you mean you make like 20 or
30 of them
30.
you can make.
Okay.
And so then you just scoop the ice cream right on top.
Okay. Ooh, perfect. This looks great.
Yep, just a scoop on top.
This would be good for a kid's birthday party, wouldn't it?
It would be. And then when you get done, you just sprinkle a little bit more, and you're ready to go.
Okay, so you just continue to do
Yep.
this all the way down.
Yep.
Awesome. And then put some on top.
Yep.
And then you said freeze for how long?
About an hour and a half to 2 hours, or if you do it overnight. And if you want chocolate syrup or strawberry syrup,
You can just put that on
you
top.
can, just put it right on top,
Ooh.
and you're ready to go.
That looks
They're
good.
a little, they're softer right now because I've had them out. But see, my freezer theory works, so.
These are great.
So that's Mexican fried ice cream
I love
bites.
this. It's just like what you get at the restaurant.
It's pretty close,
Pretty close, yeah. All right, so we will have this recipe on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you would like to copy it down and make these for yourself.
Yeah. Enjoy the summer.
I know, I will. All right, thanks, Paula.
Thank you, Taryn.
Back to you, John.
All right, thanks, Kat.